Hey collectors, here is a look at Evelyn from the cartoon collection by Mattel. And I would like to thank Rare Fine Toys for this link in the description. At the back of the card, you can see a painting of the episode wherein the shaping staff is based on the accessory which she comes with, plus the other characters in this wave. Out of the card, Evelyn comes with a mini comic book titled Shape of Vengeance. And here she is on the clamshell with the shaping staff and her magic crystal ball wand, whatever you might want to call it. But there is something missing with this figure, and that is her cape. Like most of the cartoon collection figures, this one is also held at the back by plastic straps, specifically on the wrist and on her ankles. So to safely remove them, I suggest cutting it at the back so as not to damage the figure. And here is Evelyn. Out of the clamshell, she stands around 5.5 inches tall. And again, like the other figures, she has basic articulation. And one thing missing from this figure is the cloth cape, which she always has even in the Filmation version. And here is a look at the backside of the figure. And somehow this is also a reminiscence of what the 1980s or vintage line looks like without the articulation that we have now in the cartoon collection series. Once you find the center of balance for this figure, you can put her in some simple action poses. But again, don't leave your figures without any support because they will surely fall down with a little nudge, specifically for this figure of cartoon collection Evelyn. Aside from Mattel's fetish for muscular men in squatting position wearing thongs, they also have a thing for petite women with small stature. Somehow, sculptors from Mattel forgot how to properly scale the female figures with their male counterparts in this line, and Evelyn is very small compared to the other characters for this toy line. Here is Tila besides Evelyn, and like what I said, this body will be used over and over again for other female characters in the cartoon collection line. I'd rather have a cloth cape for this figure than the staff she comes with in the package. And for size comparison, here she is with Steve Rogers' Captain America from Endgame and Han Solo. Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back, both figures by Hasbro. With Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Merman and Ramman from the cartoon collection Masters of the Universe line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.